Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you about the DPI settings and how to change the DPI settings in Vivo T3x. So if you want to change the DPI settings or if you want to learn about it, I will tell you all in this video tutorial. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. For further details, now let's watch the video.